ሰላም የኢትዮ ጂአይኤስ ኢንፎ ዩቲዩብ ቤተሰቦች እንደምን ሰነበታችሁ? ያሉኝ ዛሬ ደግሞ አንድን ማፕ እንዴት ዲጂታይዝ እናደርጋለን ወይም ሼፕ ፋይል እንዴት ክሬት እናደርጋለን የሚለውን ይዤላችሁ ቀርቤያለሁ። ነገር ግን ይህን የኢትዮ ጂአይኤስ ኢንፎ ዩቲዩብ ቻናል ለሌሎች እንዲዳረስ ሰብስክራይብ፣ ላይክ፣ ኮሜንት እና ሼር በማድረግ ተካፍሉ ስል ጠይቃለሁ። This tutorial is for how to digitize map or create shapefile using GIS software or Arcmap. So to digitize map or create shapefile, we use either georeferenced topographic map or satellite image. By using this two data input, we can prepare or digitize our map or create shapefile. But for to georeference this topographic map or satellite image, you can see georeferencing sessions from Itio GIS Info YouTube channel. Now I am going to Arcmap and show the steps. Then open your ArcGIS software, that means Arcmap, and add your georeferenced topographic map from your data location. Then my data is here, that means the gen topo map rectified. This is georeferenced and saved before this time. Then I click here and add my data, that means it is georeferenced. Then you can open Arc catalog window and create your folder from folder connection on data D, that means right click on data D and click new, then create folder, that means my data I renamed like this. Then click here, this is my folder. Again right click on it and new, then click shapefile. After you click shapefile, you can rename your shapefile name, that I use boundary. Then you can the feature type, that boundary is polygon, not point or polyline. You can use or select here polygon. Then unknown coordinate system, so you can click on edit and either select import or new coordinate system, but I select here. And you can select either geographic coordinate system or projected coordinate system, but I use geographic coordinate system, and then I select world, then WGS 1984. I can add here and click on OK, then OK. After this, I can digitize or create shapefile from this topographic map. Then if I want to select my boundary here, you can zoom in and select your area. Then this is my boundary. Again right click on it and activate editor, but it is active, so you can find editor here and click start. Then boundary is active, so you can click here and digitize your area. That I select here, this is the first, and click here. Again I click here and I click here. Then at the end time you can double click here. So this is my boundary area. Then I click here and make hollow to visible the other parts of topographic map, and you can select the color here to make more visible, and OK. Then after I digitize it, again turn back to editor and save my edit. This is one of the steps how we create shapefile, but here there are a lot of things here. That means this is road, these are rivers, and these are settlements. So this may be express either polygon or polyline or point, so you can see one by one. Again turn back to catalog window and edit the road. Then go your folder, that is data.d, my data. Again right click it, new, then shapefile. Then I can rename my shapefile name road. Then road may be polyline, so you can select here and again you can edit, but I import that my data here, so to save your time I import here and OK, then OK. Again other data that may be here reverse, so right click again my data and new, then right click on shapefile, then rename your shapefile name as river. Then river are again polyline, so again click on edit and import your first referenced data source, then add here. Again OK, click OK, again click OK. Then I use here these are settlements, so again right click on your data folder and click shapefile, then you can click here settlement. And again edit, then click import and click the first your reference data and add, then OK, click OK. These are my shapefile format that may be expressed in polyline, point or something. Then again turn back to editor and stop editing, again click on editor, start editing. Then they cannot come here, only boundary, but you can right click on road, then edit feature and click on organize feature template, then new template, again select all, then click on finish, close. This all shapefile data are come, so you can edit one by one as shown, like that of boundary. So by using this process you can edit all this shown shapefiles. So you can edit such like this within our boundary, so you can save it and again re-edit here. You can click on it and change the symbol here and click OK. These are settlements and you can either use that other symbols, you may use either here and you can click here, then again click on road. These roads are maybe red, so you can click on OK, then again turn back to your river and click search lines and change your color into blue. These are rivers and you can change the shapefile of settlement or farmland that may be this color, then you can clear. After that you can click on layout and you can remove here, then click on right click on boundary and zoom to layer. After you can click here, you prepare map elements. This may be title. You can give your title name can rename it as land use map. Again, edit all map elements using this data frame, so I can prepare and show all this data. After edit such like this, or after you insert all map element or map cosmetics, such like here, you can export your data. That means click on file, then click on export map. Again, select your site or location that you saved. I select the desktop, then rename your file my map. Then you can select the formats, but JPEG format is good for map, then save here. After that, you can open your data from your saved location. This is my data, and click on Word or your document, like here, click here and paste it. This is my output data. So by using these steps, you can prepare your shapefile or digitize your map. So I would like to thank you watching this video, and you can subscribe, like, comment this GIS Info YouTube channel for other users. Thank you for today, and see you for the next time with other tutorials.